Everybody knows that the dice are loaded. Everybody rolls with their fingers crossed. Everybody knows the war is over. Everybody knows the good guys lost. Everybody knows the fight was fixed. The poor stay poor, the rich get rich.
Això forma part d'un projecte iniciat a finals del 19 de crear un hotel seguint el concepte del Parc Güell de la ciutat jardí, aquell model de la ciutat jardí anglès on acostàvem als turistes a espais totalment verges, espais totalment en la natura, el que en diríem ara un hotelet rural.
Everybody knows. Everybody knows that the boat is leaking. Everybody knows the captain lied. Everybody got this broken feeling like their father or their dog just died. Everybody talking to their pockets.
No, que diem que el barri ara de Torrebaró, que clar és impressionant, però que és que això us heu d'imaginar...
Què és això, Torrebaró, aquestes cases de preu?
Clar, us heu d'imaginar que això eren molts dels barris, que ara ens en queden petits trossets, desestructurats, però que això era Montjuïc i era el que trobaríem també a tot el turó del Carmel de la Rovira. És que això, fer una intervenció aquí...
Pues sí, és tirar-ho tot a terra, clar.
But there were so many people you just had to meet without your clothes. And everybody knows. Everybody knows. Everybody knows. That's how it goes. Everybody knows. Everybody knows. Everybody knows. That's how it goes. Everybody knows. And everybody knows that it's now or never. Everybody knows that it's me or you. And everybody knows that you live forever. When you're done a line or two. Everybody knows the deal is rotten. Old Black Joe still picking cotton for your ribbons and bows. And everybody knows. And everybody knows that the plague is coming. Everybody knows that it's moving fast. Everybody knows that the naked man and woman are just a shining artifact of the past. Everybody knows the scene is dead, but there's gonna be a meter on your bed that will disclose what everybody knows. And everybody knows that you're in trouble. Everybody knows.